Precision and perfection. How carbide burrs enhance your automotive bodywork and boat repair. Most fiberglass shaping tools slow you down or leave rough edges behind. If you've struggled with uneven contours in your automotive bodywork or boat repair, you're not alone. Carbide burrs offer a way to cut through those frustrations, delivering precise contours and smooth finishes that make your customization projects stand out. Keep reading to see which types of burrs work best and how safe handling tips can boost your results. Importance of carbide burrs in repair. When tackling automotive bodywork or boat repair, the right tools make a world of difference. Carbide burrs are essential for achieving precision and efficiency in these tasks. Precision in automotive bodywork. In automotive bodywork, every detail counts. Carbide burrs help you achieve that flawless finish on your car's body. They cut through fiberglass with ease, allowing you to shape and smooth areas for a perfect fit. Whether you're working on a restoration project or customizing a vehicle, carbide burrs offer a precision that traditional tools simply can't match. Imagine restoring a classic car. You need to ensure that every curve and contour is spot on. With carbide burrs, you can achieve those precise angles and smooth edges that make your project shine. These tools save you time and effort, ensuring that your automotive endeavors are successful and rewarding. Enhancing boat repair efficiency. Boat repair projects demand tools that can handle tough materials. Carbide burrs are not only perfect for automotive work, but also excel in marine environments. They allow you to cut through fiberglass efficiently, ensuring your repairs are solid and long-lasting. Think about the work involved in maintaining a boat. You need tools that won't fail you in challenging conditions. Carbide burrs provide the durability and precision needed to tackle any marine repair.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.